Welcome. I'm just so happy to be here. I'm Stephen Ibaraki and chairman of Reds Capital. I actively engage across more than 100 global programs daily, working with more than 60,000 CEOs, 30,000 investors, and 10,000 thought leaders, including the founding of the UN ITU AI for Good Global Summit. Now, just to kind of think more deeply, and the popular narratives and ideas about chaos theory, the beating wings of a butterfly in Cape Town, South Africa can create a life-saving rainfall for crops in Africa and in America. One pivotal event and one part of the world can have a dramatic seismic impact 10,000 kilometers away for the greater good. This is what I see with the increasing talent power of Africa. So how does AI play a role in Africa? Well, since 2016, we have experienced the fourth industrial revolution. Hallmarks are the acceleration of innovation across the digital, biological, and physical domains. This evolved across multiple areas of our lives with Society 5.0 and Smart Humanity. This is now evidenced in the global inflection point where timelines are short and guided by diverse insights. It's an unprecedented time of ecosystem shifts, generational, economic, cultural, and societal change. Now, this can be measured through ESG, or environmental, social, and governance opportunities in United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. You know, there are $435 trillion in global investments and wealth, and this has turned to societal impact. And especially due to Generation Y, those born from 1981, Generation Z, those born from 1997, and Generation Alpha, those born from 2012. Well, Africa is at the heart of this digital reshaping. Africa is the catalyst for what I call the ACCC, or ACCC, which is happening now with hyper automation, with the 40 billion Internet of Things, embedded nanoscale sensors, AI understanding causation, and then the generalization of artificial intelligence. Time compression with new innovations executed daily, and then the convergence of the physical, digital, and biological existences. And an accelerated digital transformation and ubiquitous, seamless connectivity powered by unlimited, unbounded computational capabilities, universal accessibility, cognitive enhancements, and new compute paradigms. Again, ACCC, meaning hyper automation, compression, convergence, and connectivity. And these four factors are force multipliers, and more than the sum of their parts, where 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 is more than 4, but 1,111. This digital reshaping, Africa will lead new transformational services, products, business model, governance systems, organizational models, operational re-engineering, economic, political, societal, and cultural changes. I see Africa as the golden greenfield, and let me define what this means. A greenfield is an amazing new opportunity presenting itself to be deeply explored, and then leveraged for growth and benefiting all. You are that greenfield for leading and innovating globally over the next decades. This digital reshaping with AI is the foundational driver for diversity, inclusion, I should say, talent, job, and economic growth. And AI will add 30 trillion to the global economy, and Africa will be the largest beneficiary of its impact. You are the catalyst for this transformation that impacts and fundamentally changes government, business, education, entrepreneurship, game-changing innovation, and new leapfrogging startups embedded into culture, society, our families, and future generations that you will inspire. I just want to leave you with one final thought. Use AI Expo Africa as a driver for stretch goals, and that is we're always working at your edges, always engaging the far boundaries of your creativity, continually taking on new challenges, experimenting with new pilots, questioning assumptions, building networks with diverse thinkers, connecting different ideas and finding new patterns. Be inspired from Albert Einstein, where he wrote in a letter, combinatorial play seems to be the most essential feature in productive thought. Again, thank you for allowing me to and inviting me to speak at your conference.